ADVM Courses for CNC Machinist Apprenticeship Program.
This series of classes aligns with a local apprenticeship for CNC machinists through Sacramento Valley Manufacturing Alliance. So if you're fortunate to land one of those positions, you will come to Sierra College for your formal training portion of your training and then do about 900 hours of training on the job. It's a great way to go to school at the same time you're employed, learning on the job skills.
Let Sacramento Valley Manufacturing Alliance help you launch your manufacturing career in partnership with Sierra College. To apply, go to apprenticeship.sacvalleymfg.org. Apply now.
Okay, so this particular certificate of achievement is 11 classes. We'll go over all the classes within this certificate. We again have ADVM 70, graphic design, introduction to digital design. That way you can get Illustrator under your belt. And we do require the first technical drafting class, ADVM 1A, as part of this certificate as well, because it's important that you learn how to read blueprint, what used to be called blueprints, but technical drawings. Then we have ADVM 2A, which is CAD for manufacturing processes, followed by 2B, which is Intro to CAD CAM or computer aided design / computer aided manufacturing. Then we follow with ADVM 3D. It's our additive manufacturing class. And then we have our ADVM 4A cutting and fabrication level 1 class. So I've already talked about those a little bit. And then we have our 5 series classes. So you'll take ADVM 5A through E. There is a 5F, but it's an elective. These are required for the certificate. Again, these are 8-week classes, so you take 2 a semester. So in your first semester, you should take 5A and B, second semester, 5C and D, and your third semester, 5E, and if you choose to, 5F.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media